Hello students, in the previous video we learned adjective and its kind. In this we are going to discuss adjective degrees of comparison. Adjective of quality denotes the kind or quality of noun or pronoun. This can be expressed in any of the following ways. No comparison, comparison between two, comparison with many, more than two. किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या स्थान के गुण यानी कि विशेषता बतलाने वाले शब्द को एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी कहते हैं। किसी व्यक्ति वस्तु में कोई गुण कितनी मात्रा में है, इसकी तुलना को ही डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन कहते हैं। नाउ लुक एट दीज सेंटेंसेस। सुजाता इज अ टॉल गर्ल। मोना इज टॉलर देन सुजाता। श्रद्धा इज द टॉलेस्ट ऑफ द थ्री। In these sentences, the words tall, taller, tallest have been used as adjectives. All the three are different forms of the same adjective tall. In sentence 1, we are not comparing Sujata with any other girl. We are just saying that Sujata is a tall girl. In sentence 2, we are comparing two persons, Mona and Sujata, and saying that Mona is taller than Sujata. In sentence 3, we are comparing more than two persons, three persons in fact, and saying that Shraddha is the tallest of the three. We use adjectives to compare persons or things. When we make these comparisons, the adjectives we use change in form. We use different degrees of adjective to express the above as positive degree for no comparison, comparative degree for comparison between two persons or groups, superlative degree for comparison with many. Positive degree, no comparison. We use the positive degree of an adjective when we are not making any comparison. So this degree is used with one person or thing only. For example, mangoes are sweet, Mumbai is a big city. पॉजिटिव डिग्री का प्रयोग किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु के गुण के लिए सामान्यतः तब होता है जब उसकी तुलना नहीं की जा रही हो। कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू. We use the comparative degree of an adjective when we are comparing two persons or things or two groups of persons or things. For example, mangoes are sweeter than apples. This pen is costlier than that one. Comparative degree का प्रयोग दो व्यक्ति या वस्तु के गुणों की तुलना करने के लिए किया जाता है। Superlative degree, comparison between more than two. We use the superlative degree of an adjective when we are comparing more than two persons or things or more than two groups of persons or things. Superlative degree का प्रयोग दो से अधिक व्यक्ति या वस्तु के गुणों की तुलना के लिए किया जाता है। Now, formation of comparative and superlative degree. Most adjective of one syllable. Syllable is a part of a word that contains a single vowel sound and that is pronounced as a unit. जितने vowel sound किसी word में होंगे उतने ही syllable उस word में कहे जाएंगे. So most adjective of one syllable and some adjectives of two syllables add er in the comparative form and est in the superlative form. For example, tall, taller, tallest, great, greater, greatest, thick, thicker, thickest. One syllable adjectives ending in e add r in the comparative form and st in the superlative form. For example, brave, braver, bravest, large, larger, largest, wise, wiser, wisest. If a one-syllable adjective ends in a vowel plus consonant, the consonant is doubled when er, est is added. Big, bigger, biggest, thin, thinner, thinnest, fat, fatter, fattest. If a one-syllable adjective ends in consonant plus y, the y is changed into I when er, est is added. For example, easy, easier, easiest, happy, happier, happiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest. Adjectives of more than two syllables form their comparative and superlative degrees by adding more and most to the positive form. For example, beautiful, most beautiful, important, more important, most important, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Some adjectives do not follow any of the rules given above, so we try to remember their comparative and superlative degrees. For example, good, better, best, well, better, best, bad, worse, worst, ill, worse, worst, little, less, least, much, more, most, many, more, most, far, farther, farthest. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon.